Imagine this, a full-size luxury sedan packing over 700 horsepower under the hood, ready to tear up both the streets and the track. Welcome back to Faster Cars channel, where today we're diving into one of the most exciting rumors in automotive circles, the 2026 Chrysler 300 Hellcat. The Chrysler 300 has long been known for its bold design, comfort, and V8-powered performance. But what if I told you that Stellantis might bring it back, not just as a regular sedan, but as a fire-breathing monster? That's right, folks. The legendary Hellcat engine could find its way into the iconic 300 nameplate. While there's no official confirmation from Chrysler or Stellantis yet, let's take a closer look at why enthusiasts are buzzing about the possibility of a 2026 Chrysler 300 Hellcat and what it could mean for the future of high-performance sedans. To understand the hype, we need to look at the legacy of the Chrysler 300. For years, it shared a platform with the Dodge Charger, one of the best muscle cars money can buy. And guess what? The Charger got the Hellcat treatment, so why not the 300? If they gave the Charger a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 producing 717 horsepower, imagine putting that same beast into the refined body of a Chrysler 300. It's like combining raw power with old-school elegance. Based on speculative designs, the 2026 model would likely feature updated styling, think sharper lines, a more aggressive front grille, massive air intakes, and wider fenders to accommodate those big tires. Oh, and don't forget the signature Hellcat hood scoop. It's rumored that the car would also sit lower to the ground for better handling, while maintaining the spacious interior that made the original 300 such a hit. So here's the juicy part, the performance numbers. If the 2026 Chrysler 300 Hellcat happens, it'll likely be powered by the same supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 found in other Hellcat models. That means around 717 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. Enough to make your head spin. With these specs, the 300 Hellcat wouldn't just compete, it would dominate. 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds, top speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. This thing would redefine what a luxury sedan is capable of. Now, here's where things get interesting. While everyone wants to see a Hellcat-powered 300, Stellantis has been heavily investing in EV tech. There's talk that any future 300 could ride on their new STLA Large platform, which supports everything from internal combustion engines to fully electric powertrains. Some speculate that instead of the traditional V8, the 300 might use the new Hurricane inline-6 engine, which offers impressive efficiency and power. Or maybe, just maybe, we'll see an all-electric Hellcat variant someday. As for pricing, unofficial estimates suggest a starting point of around $80,000. Now, that's steep, but when you consider the level of performance and luxury you'd be getting, it's not out of line with competitors like the BMW M5 or Mercedes-AMG E63. But remember, nothing is confirmed yet. If this car ever does come, it probably won't arrive until 2029 at the earliest. Until then, we're stuck dreaming. So, will the 2026 Chrysler 300 Hellcat become a reality? Honestly, it's hard to say. Right now, it's all speculation and wishful thinking. But if Stellantis decides to revive the 300 nameplate with a Hellcat heart, it could create one of the most exciting sedans of the decade. One thing's for sure, if it happens, I'll be first in line to test drive it. And hey, if you want to see more videos breaking down wild automotive rumors like this one, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell.